There is a unique allure to the o- there is a unique allure to the open road. The freedom to wake up with a new view outside your window, to follow the sun or chase the mountain air. But within this life of motion, there exists a fundamental human need, the need for a home, not just a vehicle, but a sanctuary, a place of comfort, of rest, and of warmth, and increasingly, the material that is being chosen to create that sense of home, that anchor in a life of constant movement, is the one of the oldest building materials we have, wood. There is a profound difference between a van you sleep in and a van you live in. The former is a utility, the latter is a dwelling. And what transforms metal and fiberglass into a dwelling is the creation of an atmosphere. This is where wood enters the conversation, not merely as a construction material, but as the soul of the space. Step inside a van built where wood is the central thing, and the first thing you notice is the feeling. It's quiet and somehow softer. The hard, resonant echoes of the empty van are absorbed by the grain and texture of wood, creating an acoustic warmth that plastic or aluminum cannot achieve. Then there is the scent, the subtle, earthy aroma of cedar, pine, or maple that greets you each time you open the door. It is the smell of a cabin, not a cargo hold. But the use of wood in these mobile homes is as much as about philosophy as it is about aesthetics. The van life movement is in many ways a reaction to the complexities of modern life. It is a pursuit of simplicity, of minimalism, and of a deeper connection to the natural world. What material could better embody these principles than wood? It is natural, renewable, and honest. Its imperfections are not hidden, they are celebrated. A knot in the pine cladding isn't the flaw. It is a feature, a reminder of the tree's own story, now woven into the story of your journey. We see this philosophy expressed in a multitude of ways. There is the classic rustic approach. Here, the van interior resembles a backcountry cabin. The wood might be left in its natural state, lightly oiled to show off its raw grain, or given a weathered whitewashed finish. The joinery is often visible, celebrating the craft of the build. This style feels grounded, sturdy, and deeply connected to the landscapes it travels through. It is a home that feels equally at home in a redwood forest or by a rocky coastline. In contrast, there is the modern Scandinavian-inspired approach. This style leans on light woods like ash, maple, or birch. The lines are clean, the surfaces are smooth, and the design is relentlessly efficient. Here, wood is used to create a sense of airy, spacious, calm. It reflects light, making a small space feel open and uncluttered. This is a sanctuary of order and tranquility, a minimalist dream on wheels, where the wood provides the warmth that pure white and steel can lack. Beyond the walls and ceilings, wood finds its way into every functional aspect of the build. A custom-built kitchen counter, carved and sanded to fit the exact curves of the van, becomes the heart of the home. A dining table that falls down from the wall, crafted from a single beautiful slab. A bed frame that provides not just support but a sense of solidity and peace. Even small, tactile elements, a hand-turned wooden knob on a cabinet, a carved spoon rest, a slatted floor that feels warm underfoot. These are the details that elevate a build from a project to a personal haven. This choice is also a deeply practical one. Wood is an incredible insulator, both for temperature and sound. It helps keep the cold at bay during a frosty night and mitigates the oppressive heat of a summer sun. It creates a barrier between you and the outside world, making the van feel more like a secure cocoon and less like a thin-skinned vehicle. The beauty of this concept is its versatility. I'm curious, which style speaks to your vision of life on the road? The cozy rustic cabin feel or the clean and modern Scandinavian aesthetic? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. So until next time, happy decorating.